Welcome to Autocar USA, your trusted source for the latest automotive news, reviews, and in-depth insights into the cars that define tomorrow's roads. Today, we're diving deep into one of Toyota's most anticipated releases, the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026, a compact SUV that continues to blend practicality, innovation, and efficiency into one powerful package. The Corolla Cross has always been a bridge between the compact Corolla sedan and Toyota's larger SUVs like the RAV4. For 2026, Toyota takes that formula and refines it further, smarter, sleeker, and more technologically advanced than ever before. The 2026 Corolla Cross features a bold new front fascia with a redesigned grille that's wider and more expressive. Toyota has clearly aimed for a more premium and athletic stance this time. The LED headlights are slimmer and now integrate seamlessly with a continuous daytime running light bar that stretches across the nose, giving it a futuristic edge. The body lines are smoother, and aerodynamics have been improved for better fuel efficiency. From the side profile, the proportions remain compact yet muscular. The roofline slightly tapers toward the rear, giving it a sporty crossover feel without compromising headroom. The 18-inch alloy wheels on higher trims come with a two-tone finish that complements the car's dynamic look. Around the back, you'll find sleeker LED tie lamps and a subtle spoiler that completes the modern design language. Don't forget like and subscribe. Step inside. The cabin of the 2026 Corolla Cross feels more upscale than ever before. Toyota has used higher quality soft touch materials throughout, along with brushed metallic accents that enhance the premium vibe. The dashboard layout has been redesigned to focus on simplicity and function, with a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen taking center stage. This latest infotainment system runs Toyota's newest software interface, offering smoother transitions, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and over-the-air updates. Voice recognition has been upgraded too. It's more responsive and natural, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, and media hands-free with simple voice commands. Behind the wheel, a fully digital 7-inch driver display provides essential driving data with customizable views. Ambient interior lighting, wireless phone charging, and multiple USB-C ports ensure both convenience and style are front and center. The seating comfort has also received attention. Both front and rear seats are designed with improved cushioning and support for long drives. The rear row offers impressive legroom, and the 60/40th split folding seats provide flexible cargo space. Toyota knows its buyers value practicality, and with over 440 liters of boot space, the Corolla Cross continues to be one of the most versatile SUVs in its class. Now, moving to what truly defines this car: performance and powertrain. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes with two major options, a gasoline engine and an improved hybrid system. The standard model houses a refined 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers around 169 horsepower paired with a continuously variable transmission. It's smooth, quiet, and fuel-efficient, perfect for urban commuters. However, the real star is the Corolla Cross Hybrid. Toyota has integrated its fifth-generation hybrid system, combining a 2.0-liter engine with two electric motors, delivering around 196 horsepower. The hybrid variant not only offers better acceleration but also outstanding fuel economy, with expected ratings close to 40 miles per gallon combined. All-wheel drive is now available on both versions, giving drivers added confidence in rough weather or light off-road conditions. The ride quality is balanced. The suspension absorbs bumps gracefully while maintaining composure around corners. Toyota has also worked on improving noise insulation, so highway cruising feels quieter than ever. The steering feels light yet precise, ideal for both city maneuvering and long-distance travel. On the safety front, the 2026 Corolla Cross continues Toyota's reputation for excellence. Every trim level comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the latest suite of driver assistance technologies. This includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and road sign assist. Additionally, the Corolla Cross now adds proactive driving assist, which gently supports steering and braking in slow traffic or winding roads, a feature once reserved for Toyota's higher-end models. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system further enhance visibility and safety awareness. When it comes to technology and connectivity, Toyota is clearly aiming to keep the Corolla Cross at the forefront of the compact SUV market. The 2026 model features cloud-based navigation, a premium JBL sound system on top trims, and even a built-in digital key, allowing you to unlock, start, or share access to your vehicle using your smartphone. Toyota has also expanded its connected services, meaning owners can now remotely monitor vehicle status, schedule maintenance, or locate their Corolla Cross in a crowded parking lot, all through the Toyota app. Now, let's talk about the overall driving experience. The Corolla Cross 2026 feels more composed, confident, and refined than before. Acceleration in the hybrid variant is brisk, and transitions between electric and gasoline power are nearly seamless. The ride is impressively smooth, aided by the improved chassis stiffness and better suspension geometry. Toyota's engineers have managed to strike a balance between comfort and control. The steering feels natural, and body roll is minimal for a vehicle in this category. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or country roads, the Corolla Cross feels like a well-rounded, reliable companion. Let's not forget fuel efficiency, one of Toyota's strongest points. The gasoline model is expected to deliver around 32 miles per gallon combined, while the hybrid easily exceeds 40 mpg, making it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. In terms of pricing and availability, while Toyota has yet to announce final figures, industry expectations place the 2026 Corolla Cross starting around $25,000 for the base model, with the hybrid variants reaching up to around $33,000 for the top trims. That's still a strong value proposition considering the feature set, performance, and Toyota's legendary reliability. The Toyota Corolla Cross 2026 isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it's perfecting it. It's a car built for everyday people who want the practicality of an SUV, the efficiency of a hybrid, and the dependability that Toyota is known for. With its sharper looks, improved interior, advanced tech, and strong safety credentials, it's ready to compete head-to-head with rivals like the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, and Hyundai Kona. If you're looking for a compact SUV that blends comfort, capability, and cutting-edge hybrid technology, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross should absolutely be on your shortlist. Thank you for watching Autocar USA, your home for expert car reviews, comparisons, and auto industry updates. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and car news.